So essentially, I'm going to Iceland between January 22nd, 26th. Let's get packed. 1 pair of pants. That might be a little sketch. I got 3 pairs of underwear, 3 pairs of socks. So I got 2 t-shirts, hats. I'll just put this on for now because my hair is crazy. You wouldn't believe that I have a ginormous rat's nest under this thing. Passport is #1 because then I won't even be living into the country. You know? Drone. Iceland drone. It's like peanut butter and jelly, you know? A Sigma 100 to 400. It's pretty big. Camera batteries, chargers, and I got a suction cup mount so I can put on the windshield while I'm driving, maybe get some cool B-roll shots, or maybe I can just talk while I'm driving, so I'll just flip that baby around. Boom, we got a vlog, we got a little like talk sesh going on. And then the phone, of course. The phone is always a big one because kind of vlog with it. Also just like navigating. You know, like navigation is pretty important when you don't know where the you're going. I know there's volcanoes going on, but it seems like it's controlled. I might die, might just get burned alive. The tripod, which will actually take up quite a bit of space, so I might have to repack this after I'm done filming this. That won't make things extremely hard. This is the coat that I have, Alex Gray. Jesus Christ. Like, I don't think I'm gonna like feel the cold. Let's get this show on the road. Checked into the hostel. I didn't go into my room because people are sleeping, I'm pretty sure, and they're like, oh, it's bed 3. I don't know what there's no numbers on these fucking beds. I made a grave mistake earlier. We're getting it together here. Putting reverse there. Sure we don't kill anybody. Boom. Let's hit the Sun Voyager. Okay, here's the Sun Voyager. Yeah. Next stop. This is terrifying because I don't know what the f I'm doing. Do not like the roads here. Some of the road names here are f***ing like just ridiculous. Aegiscada, but it's like the AE combined. Apollo, brand new Lamborghini. I don't know why that was walking in the f***ing road right there, Mike. F***ing crikey. I don't know the traffic laws in this country, but we're gonna learn them the hard way. We're at the next stop, which was Christ Church of the King of Christ the King. The Church of Christ the King, I think. Fact check myself here. Cathedral of Christ the King. Okay. It's snowing right now. I don't want to carry out everything and just get everything snowing. Would not be ideal. We'll figure things out as we go. After this is Rainbow Street. Kringlan is a mall, art museum. I'm thinking about just skipping a lot of this shit. I go to Hallgrimskirkja, you know? Okay, Hallgrimskirkja is huge fucking church. Massive. And Glamour Waterfall. Oh. That one's a distance. We're walking to the Cathedral of Christ the King. We'll see, get some pictures, you know, spice things up. Looks pretty cool. That went pretty well. Got some good stuff. Cathedral of Christ the King. Isn't it rough? I'll pull out of here, then I'm gonna head to the next giant fucking church that there is. Expectations are pretty high for this one, but see you guys there. Whoa. See you guys there. Turn on the light, there we go. Yep, I just pulled up to whatever the f
it's called, I cannot pronounce it. It's like Hallgrimskirkja. Yeah, look at that thing right there. Holy f. I mean, it feels like it's like midnight right now, but it's like 8:30 actually. On a loop scooter. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. It's like a giant fucking, I don't know, like church of some sort. It is cold outside. Dude, we got the jerry rig back up. Yeah, it was a pretty cool place. I just got the AC blaster right now, so if that's what you're hearing, that's what you're hearing. You know, that's the little thing that's going on. This place is cold. Right now, it feels like upstate New York. Oh shit. I just passed that red light. Already breaking some traffic laws here. This is not good. These signals are really strange. I'm so used to them being in the middle. Let's hope we don't get pulled over. Dude, these loop scooters must not last long because I just see them parked in the fucking snow all the time. Dude, what is going on? This thing's gotta be rusty by like, within like a year. Turned around like 50,000 times. Okay, I think we have a parking spot. I'm right here, obviously, and I'm saying it's like over there. I don't exactly know. We'll figure it out, but yeah. We're out here. We climb up this thing really quick. And explore the deep dark woods here. So, and we're in the right spot here. And right now it's snowing pretty hard. It's a pretty sick spot with this waterfall and shit. I'm gonna retreat after I show you guys this, but I got the cinematic footage of it. It's pretty cool. I didn't really see the waterfall. I'm not entirely sure where that is. I think I gotta cross the other side, which I can't right now, and I don't want to. Pretty sick so far. Look at this, man. This is sick as f. Oh, my car's still there. Looks like it's starting to get a little bit brighter outside. I'm gonna try to climb this without dying. Oh, oh no, oh no, I'm going down. Never mind. Oh, okay. That's a lot of snow. Look at my shoes. It's all good. We're chilling. We are snowed, my friends. Oh, you can't see it. We are fucking snowed. Boom. Boom. Got that Suzuki. It's a beautiful day to sleep. Iceland's pretty cool so far. It feels the exact same as New York right now. But obviously I haven't explored too much. This is only like my third stop. Now where the fuck is Cliff? 14-minute drive, okay. Okay, update on the current situation. Power bank, they're broke, I'm up. Believe it. We're gonna head to the cliff. I'm pretty tired. Oh, Christ. I am tired, dude. Although I gotta take a